guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is actually a little bathroom makeover that I did, and mostly focusing on this molding wall on the back that you see. So first things first, we're going to go through everything you're going to need for this project. So I purchased a pack of these from Home Depot. They're around $40 here, and I actually used most of them on a different wall, and this is the leftovers. And then you'll need a paintable caulking, and the last thing you'll need is some wood filler. And actually one more thing you're going to need is either liquid nails or some type of brad nailer, or you can just use finishing nails as well, just to really secure it to the wall. The very first thing that I did actually before this was I drew out the design that I wanted for the wall, and then I'm just going based off of that, referencing the drawing that I made and basically just trying to create it on the wall. So all of the cuts I'm making are on a miter saw, and they're either a straight cut or a 45-degree angle cut. Now I've got some wood filler going on, as well as I'm using a little bit of just wall filler that I had, and then going around and filling all of my nail holes. So I didn't actually put any liquid nails on the back of any of these. All I used was pins. So I used a brad nailer on air and just pinned it into the wall, and it's holding up great. I went around and caulked all the seams and then let it dry and painted it up. So super easy. I did this literally in an afternoon, so it does not take very much time. Forced a couple coats of paint, this is all good.